Hello, and a wonderful day to you on this absolutely gorgeous OnPassive day. I bring blessing and greeting to everybody and hope that you're having as good a day as I am. My name is Jeffrey, and this is video 2 out of 6 for the OnPassive product review. And we're going to be going through 3 of them today, beginning with OCapture. And OCapture is it's a uniquely designed screen capture tool, right? It's an image capturing and video recording tool for editing presentations and business videos and advertisements and such. It's got lots of layers, multiple layers of features to give us the edge that we need, right, in presenting whatever we've captured with the best quality. So it's a lot more than just a simple screen or a simple image capturing tool. With this, you can add voice to your image presentation, and you can add notes to videos. This is to say, I guess, that you can add narration. You can narrate your stories, make them a lot more enjoyable. You can also add things like subtext. You can remove and add content, increase or decrease the resolution of images and videos. And you can also, now get this, you can snag an image as a horizontal or a vertical scroll, which means captures aren't limited to a single frame anymore. And I thought that was really interesting. I've never heard of that or seen that in anything that I could do before. Of course, I'm not a graphics expert either. I'm not a techie either. So anyway, additionally, you know how you can get the expensive cameras that we get? They let us do timed captures. Well, OCapture offers a timer feature that allows you to time a screen grab, and it adjusts the frame accordingly to the grab. It also allows you to customize the content. You can store it on your drive or the cloud. So if you choose cloud storage, it'll actually store it there for you, at no cost for up to 30 days. And that's plenty of time to get your projects done, time to get them published. Now, it's got built-in edit options, and it's got hundreds of templates that you can choose from, and every shot that you do can be converted into a more informative image real quickly, because you can add stuff to it and clear up the communication, so to speak. It's powered with the latest technology, right? So it introduces a whole new league of screen capture tools that make it, an awesome tool for creating and recording live online events. It's high quality audio and video recording, gives you like flawless graphic creations, and you can add special effects and subtitles. You can trim them as needed. It also has a real-time messaging protocol, which is a communication protocol for streaming audio and video and data, over the internet. It can record conferences, create voiceovers, and even put in some background music for you. So it's an awesome little program. You need to probably check that out. And it's also integrated in with and can be used with anything within the I just had a brain bubble. The OnPassive digital ecosystem, as all our stuff is. So it's a good little program. Actually, it's a powerful little program. The next one that we're going to talk about is OChat. Now, OChat, I love OChat. It just shows me where technology is going. But it's a complete platform that has an interactive interface, and through it, we can address, for our businesses or anything else, customers' needs, customers' questions, right? It has some pretty unique features that make it able to recognize the emotion of a customer. Get that, right? It recognizes your emotion as you interact with it. And it makes, or is capable of making, some pretty quick escalations to address matters that need to have, immediate attention. And when I talk about escalating matters, I'm saying if it decides, I don't really know what to do here, it automatically refers the entire conversation to a human person, and they bring a human in to assess what's going on in the conversation. So the AI-based chat bot that we have can do other things as well, which are pretty kind of cool, They can recognize, or it can recognize, a customer from stored data, which is, I mean, think about that. It can recall previous conversations, and it uses this information to help to diagnose whatever situation they're in. And this is to say, I suppose, that OChat's self-learning algorithm identifies the intent of the conversation and responds to it accordingly. And that may include either bringing in a human element or taking the information that it has from other programs or platforms to assess what is going on in the current situation. Anyway, sorry, I got off on a little bit of, I'm not sure where I went there. Anyway, well, I guess what I'm saying is that it's gonna understand the conversation, it's gonna respond accordingly, and it's going to use the data that it has at its command to resolve issues, to communicate with customers, and quite simply to simplify the conversion path by improving our customer engagement through the program. And again, if the machine portion of this, the robotic, the AI, fails to understand the intent, it's going to immediately escalate that to get a human agent in there, right? And since OChat is a conversational chatbot, it's easy to integrate with business partners and can be effortlessly trained in a way, as much as you can train. I guess it learns on its own for various categories of response systems. So it can be integrated with other systems. And when we introduce OChat into our system and into our platform, we're introducing an intelligent virtual assistant, and that's going to be able to strengthen any customer service needs you have. It's going to be able to boost your sales growth, and give you new levels of automation and speed that's going to do nothing but good things for your business. Now, this is a tool that's also, like everything else we talk about, it's programmed using AI, and it provides the required information across a lot of different channels, whatever channels are necessary, right? And that brings a whole new level of success to the marketing and customer satisfaction efforts you have by increasing the upselling of it, the cross-selling of it, right, of your brand. And with it, you can be very assured that customers are having a genuine conversation, and they're completing transactions without getting human involvement in the picture. It's going to save you a lot of money, right? Unless it's necessary. If it's got to escalate it, it will. But in all actuality, that's not probably going to happen very often. And it's just going to continually increase your productive output of your brand and increase your visibility in a very good way. And one of the reasons is because this uses natural language understanding, right, to solve the very complex questions, the queries, as they say, in real time, hassle-free, and all you have to do is talk to it. That's what you sorry about that. That's what you mean by natural language as we speak. So it converses with you. With OChat, in a way, you're going to give your customers an upgrade to their experience. You're going to boost your lead conversions. You're going to decrease customer support costs because it's an AI-powered tool, right? And it has been developed to assist in these specific types of transactions and in transitions that we see in what seems to be an ever-increasing informal economy. Now, another thing that I love about OChat is that it's omni-capable, which means that you can have more than one instance of it running at any one particular time across your platform, and that it will take all the information and data that it gets from all those and consolidate that, and that then becomes part of its learning database, if you will, for future use. But enough said. I hope you have enjoyed that. I know that I love OChat. I think this, I love it. All right, I'll let it go. The third one we're going to look at here is OCommerce, which is an e-commerce platform, right? It's large, huge, very big. It's complete. And it's an online marketplace that's going to empower different sized businesses to market their products and to automate shopping. This is going to increase the presence of their businesses and their brand globally. So this is something everybody's been going to. Now what we've done is just brought it into a digital ecosystem where it's a part of a lot of other things, but it stands on its own as a powerful unit for e-commerce. Now, with it, we use ready-made, customized themes, right? We can easily set up our own online store. I mean, that's what it's for. It's got a responsive interface that helps to build fully customized, search engine friendly, right? SEO websites that are compliant, SEO compliant. So commerce, e-commerce in particular, is not only reachable, but you can scale your size and the effects of what you're doing, and it becomes the face of your products, because guess what? You're the one being branded, right? You're the one being made more visible and to appear bigger to the internet. So incidentally, you can create that store in about 3 simple steps with OCommerce. The personalized dashboard helps you to write product descriptions. You can view live products, that are there for sale, the products sold. I mean, you're talking analytics here. It pulls information together. You can modify products, the pricing and such, and adjust quantities, that are available for customers. And you can actually get, a complete overview of all the store operations and the functionalities that you have within the program. And it also, this is huge too, since we've also got a wallet, which we'll talk about at some point. It offers a self-customized payment gateway that's got multiple payment options and allows you to do transactions in multiple currencies as well, various currencies throughout the world. There's also a 14-day free trial that allows you enough time to get the store set up and make it profitable before you pay dime one for anything, before you pay anything. So you can also take up to 30 days from the date of purchase. If you don't happen to have a domain name, then you got 30 days to get one in there. And incidentally, if you do have a domain name and you put that on the checkout page, OCommerce, right, the program or the domain, none of that is going to appear anywhere in your domain at all or in the name. It's all going to be you, branding you, not OnPassive or OCommerce or anything else. But it just, in all actuality, it just makes it a lot easier to launch and expand your e-commerce business. And our goal, I suppose you could say, is to reduce e-commerce barriers enough that everybody can participate in the future of commerce and favorably impact the global economy. It's an end-to-end commerce platform that help you start, grow, and run your business. So, man, jump on board, get on board. We're loving life right now. I appreciate you listening to this. We're going to get on with the next one. I hope by tonight or tomorrow the next one will come out. And if you happen to be listening to this before the founder opportunity is actually closed, then please reply to the founder that invited you. If you haven't been invited, just click on the registration or join now link in the description box below. The opportunity is going to be closed forever in less than a week from the date you are viewing this. So you can also go to onpassive.com to learn more, sign up from there. But if the founder opportunity is no longer available, that's okay. You can still get in. It won't be quite as good, but you can join as a customer once we're open publicly. And when you do, there's maybe an opportunity for you to earn as well. So you want to check that out. But whatever you decide to do, just know that we wish only blessing and blessing for you and for your entire family. And thank you so very much for watching this. I really appreciate it. Bye.